Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to close all tabs on Chrome on Android. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. So in order to close the tabs, what you have to do is tap on the square icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to your profile icon. Now you'll be able to view all the tabs over here. If you only have one tab open, you can simply close it by tapping on the cross icon that you can see at the top right corner of that particular tab. But doing this for multiple tabs would be hard. So in that case, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options like new tab, new incognito tab, close all tabs, select tabs, etc. Tap on the option close all tabs that you can see at third. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can find your closed tabs in recent tabs under the Chrome main menu. Simply tap on the option close all tabs. Now you can see over here all the tabs have been closed. So that is how you close all tabs on Chrome Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.